How do media giants like BBC and NBC Universal manage hundreds of channels simultaneously without building a massive team to keep it all running? Managing a large network of YouTube channels manually is chaos. You're constantly hitting platform limitations, dealing with unstable servers, and risking data loss every time a subscription renews or a system updates. Every minute of downtime means lost revenue and lost viewers. And for major media holdings, it also means reputational risk. Spending hours on manual sorting and uploading instead of focusing on strategic growth, that's a dead end. That's exactly why we built Gyre Enterprise, a comprehensive infrastructure designed specifically for media holdings and large networks that need scale, security, and total control. One platform that removes the headaches of managing dozens of projects and hundreds of streams, so your team can focus on what actually matters. 99.9% uptime. That's not just a number. It's the standard that the world's largest broadcasters build their business on. Our solution is a centralized B2B dashboard where you operate hundreds of live streams, unlimited sub-accounts, and a robust access control system, all from one place. No more juggling multiple tools, logins, or spreadsheets. Gyre automates the complexity so large teams can work as one. But before we go deeper into enterprise, let's talk about why 24/7 live streams matter in the first place. Channels using this format see an average 30% boost in views, up to 50% more watch time, and RPM that can be 3 to 4 times higher than standard video on demand. Subscriber growth accelerates by 20%, and your videos get recommended more often by the YouTube algorithm. Did you know that your video archive is essentially a dormant bank account? It's time to start collecting dividends from it, 24/7. You don't need to create anything new. Your existing video library becomes a 24/7 revenue engine. The same content that's sitting in your archive can generate views, watch hours, and income around the clock without a single minute of new production. And one content package can fuel multiple streams, each optimized for a different audience and search intent. One piece of content becomes 5, 10, even 20 separate entry points into YouTube's recommendation engine. Worried about losing control as you scale? Our sub-account system lets you delegate work across teams without ever sharing passwords to your main channels. Enterprise-level security is the Gyre standard. Concerned about reliability? When global outages knocked other streaming services offline, Gyre's infrastructure held firm. Our clients' streams kept running. They didn't lose a single viewer. And more importantly, they didn't lose revenue. For any business, that's what matters most. Scale without limits and without the headaches. Add dozens of channels to your system in seconds, without expanding your technical staff. Gyre handles the complexity behind the scenes, so growing your operation feels effortless. Is your streaming infrastructure an asset or a liability? Find out how enterprise-grade solutions protect the content of the world's biggest brands. Enterprise-grade protection for your assets. Distribute roles across local teams while maintaining full oversight from headquarters. Every action tracked, every channel protected. Live streaming reliability at the highest standard. 24-hour continuous streams with no pauses, no glitches, and no human error. Your content runs in every time zone while your team sleeps. The result? A fully automated distribution machine that works for you around the clock. No more manual management headaches. No more juggling tools across fragmented teams. Just one system that keeps hundreds of streams live while you focus on strategy and content. Imagine this. Your team in London launches a new season. Your team in New York manages the archive. And you see consolidated revenue analytics across everything in real time in a single window. Our infrastructure is already part of the workflow for global industry leaders, from the biggest British broadcasters to American entertainment giants. We build Gyre alongside those who set the standards for modern television and digital media. Gyre Enterprise. Security, scale, and efficiency for your media operation, all in one solution. Less manual work, fewer headaches, more time for what drives your business forward. Ready for the enterprise level? Click the link below, request a demo, and we'll show you how Gyre can simplify your entire streaming operation. Plus, Gyre operates within YouTube's rules. We're partners and included in the recommended services catalog for streaming, so you can trust it won't jeopardize your channel.
Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.